Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out to which companies Facebook is giving information from your account, basically selling your Facebook information to them, and how to edit that. So open up your Facebook, then head over to the settings, click on the little gear icon, and now you need to scroll down. Now in permissions, click apps and websites. And since this is a fresh account, I don't have any right here, but usually you will have all the websites and all the apps that you've allowed Facebook to share information to, basically. And from here you can click on preferences, like apps, websites and games. Gives you the ability to use Facebook to log in to interact with other third-party apps. So basically, if you can log in with Facebook to them, you've given permission for them to use your information as well. So you can, usually you have a list right here with all of them, but you can also turn them off. And apps and preferences, and there we go, I've turned them off. So that's pretty much it. If I don't have any, but you probably have as a used account, so make sure to check this and remove any that you don't want your information shared to. And that's it. Hope this helped. See you next time. If it did, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.